Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I want to do a quick video today showing you guys some of my EDC, my everyday carry items that I have with me almost every single day, everywhere I go. One is going to be this iPhone that you guys see here. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I have a set of reading glasses that I take with me almost everywhere I go. And when I'm outdoors, of course, you guys know I'm going to have my sunglasses with me as well. So I have for quite some time, guys, been looking for a way to kind of consolidate all of these different things, because I use a lot of the AI assistants with the phone, of course, for reading and so on and so on, sunlight when I'm out. So I received these guys right here from our friends over at Ray-Ban. So these are the Ray-Ban Meta. This is the Wayfarer. So we're going to unbox these, take a look at everything that comes in the box, and figure out together, guys, if this is going to be an excellent upgrade to replace some of the things that you guys see here on the desk. This could be it right here. Let's go. All right, guys, first things first. This is the box. Now, if you guys have been interested in the Ray-Ban Wayfarer glasses, the Meta glasses, you've probably seen a ton of videos on this. This is something kind of new to me, but I got a lot of recommendations, from family and friends, and of course, a couple of influencers saying, hey, bro, you really need to check out these glasses for your workflow. These might be ideal. So definitely let's take a look. All right, very simple box here, as you guys can see. So we're just going to open the box the traditional way. There's a little pull tab right here on the front. So I'm just going to start it from this perspective, and I'm just going to pull it. All right, there's our pull tab. It says listen, call, live stream. All right, we pop this open. Basically says the same thing. And the box opens like so. Then it falls open here. All right, guys, so the first thing you're going to be greeted with here is your Ray-Ban glass case. Faux leather. Feels really nice in the hand. Yeah, a couple of buttons on here. So you do have your USB-C connection right here. You have a power button on the back, and you have an indicator button right here on the front as well. And this will light up in different colors depending on whatever is going on with your glasses. To open, pop these guys open like so. You guys can see the little light just turned on. Now there is a little pull tab right here, and that's going to be for charging your glasses. So all you have to do is pull up on that like so. That's going to free that up. Really nice material on the inside as well. Feels like leather, guys. I've had many pairs of Ray-Ban glasses as a biker, as a photographer, so I can tell you the experience is very similar. All right, so let's go ahead and pull these glasses out of the case. All right, so here are our glasses. Now they come with this nice little protective arm covers on here, so you can just pull those off on both sides. Now inside, you guys are going to see an on and off switch right about here. So you can use that for turning your glasses on or off. I haven't paired these with a phone, so I'm going to go ahead and leave them on the off position. And you can see the interior of these. Now I did get the shiny black. I like that. I like it a lot. Let's see if there's anything else in here that really stands out to me. Pretty much, no. It's the same. Now, as far as the feel of these in comparison to my sunglasses, which is this model right here, these feel a little bit heavier. They're a little bit heavier than the sunglasses are. So, that's something that I have to contend with. But I don't think it's going to be a detractor. Now, on the front here, you're going to find your Ray-Ban branding right here on the lens. And you also see we also have the camera on this side, and on the opposite side, we have our light indicator for when you're recording, okay? So really nice design. Inside of the case, let me show you guys here. Inside of the case, you'll find the connection point for charging them. So your glasses are just gonna clip right onto this and charge them up. So in future videos, guys, I'll show you guys some of my, tips and tricks for using these, how I'll use these in my everyday workflow. I look forward to testing these glasses out and using them on a daily basis, guys. I want these to really become my daily drivers. Now, something that I probably will do over time is to upgrade the lenses. So I may go with a different style lens. It just depends. So we'll see how that goes over time. Yeah, that's about it, guys. That's really about it. So I don't want to hold you guys any longer. I just wanted you guys to see these glasses. And like I said, I'll be doing future videos where we'll talk about, you know, the fit, the finish, how I feel about them, wearing them on a, you know, everyday basis all day, or especially doing, you know, production work. So look forward to those videos. But until then, my lovelies, I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Stay safe. Peace. I'm out.